Hyper-V can be used in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that it's the same way of activating in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. It just looks a little different with the start menu. So we open the start menu, we search for Windows feature, then we have turn Windows feature on or off. We open that one, and there we can see which Windows feature we have activated. In this case, I already have Hyper-V activated, but I could, for instance, just activate the management service or the tools for it, but I want to have them both activated. So if you haven't activated Hyper-V before on a Windows PC, you just check the box, press OK, and then restart the computer, and then you have Hyper-V. Now, if there's anything you believe that I missed or that I should make a future video about, make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, well, try playing it in double the speed, see if it makes it better or worse. And until I see you next time, have a good one. Bye!